The 2022 Nobel Prize in Chemistry is being awarded to Caroline Bartholdi, Morten Meldal, and Carl Berry Sharpless for the click reaction and its various applications. Let's find out exactly what it is. The English word click is nowadays used as a synonym for fast, and most of the chemical reactions can take a whole day or 2 days or 3 days or even more to complete. From this point of view, Professor Sharpless and Professor Meldal discovered a chemical reaction at the beginning of the 21st century, which can be completed very quickly. In this case, heating A and B in presence of a catalyst will produce C very quickly, and so this reaction is named click reaction. But apart from being faster, this new reaction had several advantages. As no experienced chemist was needed to carry out the reaction does not produce any byproduct, as is the case with many other chemical reactions. It was even becoming possible to carry out the reaction in an environmentally friendly way. However, what difference does this quick chemical reaction make? The difference is that, interestingly, these compounds derived from such reactions show their efficacy as drugs for several diseases, including various types of cancer, heart disease, AIDS, fungal infections, diabetes, thalassemia, and many more. But this is not the end of the story. Professor Caroline Bartholdi planned something a little bigger. She wanted to use click reaction to directly visualize the flow of events occurring inside our body, and she did exactly that. I will try to explain how she was able to do that work. Suppose a patient is diagnosed with cancer. Now, a doctor will surgically remove all the cancerous tissues from the body. If some cancerous tissues remain in the body during the operation, it will cause new cancer later. So, what is the right way to recognize cancer cells? Based on Professor Bartholdi's research, it is possible to create certain compounds that only cancer cells will accept as food. And as soon as these foods are consumed by the cancer cells, a click reaction will occur inside the cancer cells. This is called bioorthogonal reaction. And then the real surprise awaits. After the bioorthogonal reaction occurs, UV light will be applied to different parts of the cancer patient's body. Only the cancer cells that have eaten this special compound or artificial food will be caught in a bright state, which is called fluorescence in the terms of chemistry, and other normal cells of the body will be in dark state. As a result, without leaving any room for doubt, the doctor will be able to surgically remove all the cancer cells from the body one by one, and the patient will be cancer-free forever. There is no doubt that this year's Nobel Prize in Chemistry has gone to the deserving persons. One more thing, Professor Carl Berry Sharpless is an incredibly gifted scientist. With this, he won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for the second time. Earlier in 2001, he won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry for his work on asymmetric synthesis. But this has only happened once before in the field of chemistry, when Professor Frederick Sanger won the Nobel Prize in Chemistry twice. Thank you very much for watching the video.